So I'm going to teach you how to refund everything you bought in Fortnite with FTC settlement. So the first thing is going to be going here and type in Fortnite refund, like so. Click the first results. Should be on the website of FTC or Federal Trade Commissions. Click on this option, the button apply for your refund. If I click on that one, it will redirect me to another website. It will just ask me if I have a claim number or an email from FTC. And also, you must be at least 18 years old to complete this form. So for me, I'm going to select no for that one. Click on next. After that one, it will ask me for my Epic account ID. So where can I get this? By opening up your Epic launcher, go to your account, right there, and click on account. So if I click on this one, it'll redirect me onto another website. I'm just going to open that website over here. Perfect. So once you're in the website of Epic, click on the account one more time and click account. And in here, it will open up a new feature, the settings option where you can find your Epic account ID. Of course, I'm gonna blur this one out so you can just get it here, the one that says ID. I think it's a 32-digit code. Just copy it like so and basically go back in here. Now, once we're back here, just paste it on the blank right there. Of course, this is not the one that I have. I'm just gonna copy right here, complete the CAPTCHA. That should be this one right here. Click on next. So just as a disclaimer, as you can see right here, if you're residing outside of the US, you're not entitled for the settlement. Vice versa, if you're living within the US, you are entitled for the settlement.